everybody, it's Fan Mail Friday.
Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Fan Mail Friday. I've got Sydney here helping me.
Hello.
She's standing on a chair. That's why she's super tall. One of the things we're gonna do first though, we're gonna talk about this guy. This is from the robot video I did. He's legless, armless, and Top-of-the-Headless. And, well, he's no longer of this world. But thankfully, a nice person by the name of Caitlin drew up a legless, armless, Top-of-the-Headless little logo that's on a t-shirt now. So now if you go to 3d.pn/shop, a legless, armless, Top-of-the-Headless robot t-shirt is available. And also what's really nice, Caitlin said, I asked how much to charge, and she said X, and I said sure, and then she said, well, she just kept enough for dinner, and $40 of that she wanted to go in the box. So Caitlin, thank you very much. That's now in the box, and my poor, broken, incomplete robot we'll put aside, and then we'll keep going.
You need his? You need this? Boo.
I do need that part. Thankfully, I have Sydney helping here because Sydney is the one that picked out the packages that we're going to be opening up. I have a number of packages to open up, and I can't get to them all in a single Fan Mail Friday, but Sydney chose. So, Sydney, what's the first one we open up?
This one.
This one, okay. This is from who?
Gary Roth.
All right, this is from Gary. Let's see what Gary sent over. This looks hard to open. I might be able to do it. I hear stuff rattling around. Ooh, there's stuff. Okay. We've got a letter. We have $5 US. We do have a self-addressed stamped envelope. And look, let's see. There's it looks like there might be a name. It says Joel. That's me. That's me, right, Sid?
Yes.
And that says 3DPN. And, oh, I see. And these are little caps. Okay, so that goes like that.
Cool.
That's kind of neat. Look at that. There we go. Kind of like a little name.
That's
I'll tell you
cool.
what. I'll put it right there. Put it right there. Let's see what Gary has to say. Haha. Well, first of all, there's a QR code right there. Feel free to scan that. That'll take you to the Thingiverse link for that stuff. Dear Joel, I began 3D printing in my workplace's makerspace about 2 years ago. About 1 year ago, I purchased my own machine as other employees discovered the joys of 3D printing and made it difficult to find an available printer. About that time, I discovered your channel through the contest you ran when you reached 100,000 subscribers. I didn't win the main prize, but found your enthusiastic content a worthwhile consolation. I particularly like that you found a way to include your children in your passion. I'm still working that with my kids. I really enjoy your Fan Mail Friday segments and was disappointed there wasn't one this week. I'm sorry, there wasn't one that week. I realized it probably because you hadn't received enough fan mail, and I decided to help with that. Enclosed, please find a custom 3DPN nameplate made from my Thingiverse thing, 2646496. I am placing it in the box, partially assembled. It should read Joel 3DPN right there. When completed, I look forward to enjoying your videos for many years to come. High five, Gary. Again, I'm going to put that QR code within view one more time, so you can point your phone at that, or your reader, or something. Thank you, Gary. That's awesome. First things first, let's get this fiver in the box. All right. Sid, could you tell him what he gets?
You get a sticker.
All right, Sid, what's next?
I want to do this one.
This one. Do you want to open it, or do you want me to?
I'll open it.
Okay.
You could say the name if there's a name, because...
Well, there's got to be a name right there, isn't there?
I don't know.
This is from an Aaron. Aaron. So on these have a little tear that we just ripped.
Awesome.
Go to town.
Yay!
Cool. And inside we have stuff. So there's some paper.
Is the best.
Well, let's see. Let's get out my trusty Fan Mail Friday knife. Let's see if we can't.
Not towards me.
Not towards you. Let's open it up. Let's see. Oh, it's like a.
Stuff is the best.
Stuff is the best. What is that? Looks like it's a piece of something. It's an incredibly well printed piece of something. That's for sure. Let's see. So in here we have an envelope and a letter. Oops. I dropped it. Make sure there's no, and in the envelope, I just want everybody to see, there are 2 US $5 bills. So there's this. You wanna hold it?
I'll hold it.
You hold it. I'll read. Dear Joel, my name's Aaron and I have been 3D printing for a couple months. I'm a PLC programmer, controls electrician. I've built my own roller coaster scale model that works just like a real roller coaster. I have been thinking of 3D printing the whole thing and making it work kind of like my other one. However, I'm seeing some small problems in my FDM prints that I might have to use an SLA printer to make the track selections. The supports under the track tube keep failing, making it not smooth on the bottom. That will slow the train down even after sanding. It's still kind of rough. I was hoping you could try to print a selection of the track on your Form 2 in blue. I have made a selection that will fit on the Form 2 build plate. I would really hate to spend money on the printer and found it wouldn't work either. It'd be greatly appreciated. I've sent you a selection of B&M coaster track I've designed in Fusion 360, printed on the CR10 and PLA. It's a small and a small donation for Seattle Children's. I've also attached a link to older video on YouTube of my roller coaster. Cool. I will definitely I'll put the link to the video down in the description. I don't have my form anymore. Bill has it. But that's cool. Isn't that cool, Sid? Mm-hmm. That's really cool. If I had my form, I would print you a section. But I don't have that anymore. And maybe someone closer to you might have a form. It's a beautiful track design. This is really, really cool. Well, I see an envelope, Sid.
Ooh.
Let's see. Oh, but there's no address. There's okay. There's an address on the letter. So first things first. And now, Sid, what does he get?
You get a sticker.
Now that package is out of the way, Sid, what's next?
I want to do this one because it's a box.
Okay. I do see on the label, it does say light hood for Creality 3D CR10 and 10S. Makesbymike.com. Let's find out. Let's see if that's really in there, or if it's just a box. Maybe it's just a box. We will find out, right?
It's a box inside of a box.
Oh, it's a box. So there's, it is. It looks to be, wow, first, holy cats, there is a $20 bill. That's amazing.
It's a box inside of a box.
It looks like a power supply. Here's a letter. Here is the instructions on how to install it. And here is a light hood. Look at that. So it's got LED strips. And it looks like the power supply plugs in, and that would mount on your printer so you could see what's printing. Wow, cool. Well, let's see. Let's take a look. Look at that, the LEDs. Let's see. I don't want to lose anything, so I'm just putting some stuff back. Okay, let's see the letter.
Here's the letter.
Thank you. Dear Joel, I've been watching your YouTube channel since late last year, and I've been inspired by your many videos and great information to get more involved in 3D printing. Your inspiration led me to purchase my first 3D printer, a Creality 3D CR10S, and to design my first accessory, a 3D printer LED light hood. For all that you do supporting Seattle Children's Hospital, please find enclosed a crisp $20 bill for the children and one of the first LED light hoods I have manufactured as a gift to say thank you for your channel, your support of the 3D printing community, and your care and support for Seattle Children's Hospital. May God bless you and your family. Michael Bagala. Makesbymike.com. Wow. Well, I don't have a CR10 anymore, but I've got, let's see, GearBest sent me an Alpha YSU10. I've got a G-Max. I have other printers that could use a light hood. So this is awesome. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Sid, while I put this away, how about you put the money in the box?
Oh, that means I have to get down. I'll be short for a second. Still short.
Sid, it looks like we have 3 more.
3 more. Let's do that box right there.
This one.
Yes.
I think it's a good pick.
Well, it's a box.
It's a box, but it's a good pick of a good box.
It's another box.
There's a box inside the box.
If there's a box inside of the box that's inside of the box, there'll be a box.
All right, box inside of a box. Oh, not a box inside this box.
Whew. I was getting a little nervous there.
Inside we have a self-addressed stamped envelope. We do have a letter, and we have, We have Jolly Ranchers.
If those are yours, I'm stealing some.
Maybe. We've got, well, here, let's see. Okay, here's a maker coin. That's a really cool maker coin.
I want to see.
Have a look. And look at it. Here's a give 5. Look at that.
That's cool.
It's like a high five. Yeah, it's like a
It's
like a high five.
I have an idea. Here we go.
Yeah, it's holding the maker coin.
There you go.
Oh, inside is a tasty Red Bull.
Looks like Pac-Man.
Oops. Oh, there's.
There you go.
I think.
So many pieces.
Oh, I missed. Okay, so here, I think it goes like this. So I want to say, I think that, no, maybe not. Let's say.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna try to figure this out. Okay, that goes in like that. And then
That's one.
this goes like this. You know what this is, Sid?
No.
This is a high five back scratcher.
I thought you were going to hit me with it.
Ready? Now hold it.
Lovely.
I do like this maker coin. And inside, look at this. Tasty cakes. Tasty cakes are good. Well, here, let's read this letter. Because there is a self-addressed stamped envelope. Let's get the stuff out. And let's show off. Look at that. Tasty cakes, Jolly Ranchers, cool
High
maker
five.
coin, and a high five back scratcher. Dear Joel, hello Joel. You might know me by LEF149 on Twitter. I want to first thank you for replying to my tweets. I got into 3D printing about a year and a half ago, and thanks to you, Tom, 3D Maker Noob, and Maker's Muse, I have really enjoyed 3D printing. Inside are some snacks from my state of PA. You know what state that is? PA? Pennsylvania.
I did not know that.
Pennsylvania, and some Jolly Ranchers, as well as a 3D print that made me think of you when I saw it. My son has started to show an interest into 3D printing, and I've been showing him some of it. My son and daughter watched your video at the Midwest Rep Rap Fair, and they liked the talking totem pole. They helped me pick out the items in the box for you, and I told them I'll show them this video where you open it. That's fantastic.
Hello.
I hope I'm not rambling on and you don't have to read the whole thing on video, but I'm going to. But all the YouTube videos have inspired me to make more things. I've been working on the Truggy project for a while now. You know what the Truggy project is?
No.
Remember that RC car? That one right there? Oh. It's a Truggy, so it's a different style of RC car. The Truggy has all metal drivetrain, so some modifications had to be made. The drone also had to be customized a bit to try and get it to fly. Once I get these projects working, I'll make sure to send you a link to a video. You better. That would be awesome. I have a bunch of projects going on right now and usually run into problems along the way, and I'm sure you have as well. Thank you so much for everything you do for the community. Thank you very much, Llewellyn Franz. P.S. If you can spare some stickers, it would be much appreciated. And thank you again. Keep up the good work. That is fantastic. I think we could spare a few stickers. What do you think?
Maybe.
Here, wait.
Wait?
Dive down, get one of those, and get a robot sticker. Yeah.
I have to move my chair. I'm short.
That's okay. It's right there. Grab a robot sticker.
A robot.
Get a robot sticker and a Safety Joel sticker.
Robot.
Robot, thank you. So look at that. That's a robot sticker right there.
Safety Joel.
Okay, Safety Joel sticker. Good. Perfect.
And
then if you hand me one of those, well, actually,
no.
I think you need to say it to the camera, right? Here, I'll move the chair. Here you go. Hop on up.
I'm tall again. You get a sticker.
Looks like we've got 2 left, Sid. Which one are we doing?
Left. We're doing this one right here.
Just 2 left, right?
I think I can count 1, 2. Yes, 2.
2 left.
Yay.
This is it. This is from a Scott. All right, I don't think I need the knife for this one. I think we can just open it.
You could risk the chance of breaking something or just wasting
That's a pretty
the knife
strong glue
power.
hold.
Wasting the knife power.
The knife power?
You got it.
I got it.
Dude.
I got it. So inside, we have a self-addressed stamped envelope. We have a crisp US $1 bill, a Superman Batman 3D print, and a letter.
It's cool.
Have a look at it, Sid.
Almost fell.
Dear Joel, I've wanted a 3D printer for a long time. Oh wait, is there something on the back? To Joel from Tucker. wanted a 3D printer for a long time, but I didn't know if it was worth it, and also was not allowed to. I finally got one when I found your channel and all the cool, useful prints with the 3D printer. I got the Model Price Select Mini V2. It works great even though it's small. I think that you're super awesome, and I watch your videos all the time. They are great. I do have a YouTube channel, Printed, and you inspired me to create it. P.S. I did not design the model that I printed for you. It was created by Jamie, but with a 4 instead of an A on Thingiverse. Thanks. Tucker Wise, age 12.
Hey, that's how old I am.
I know. So Tucker did include a self-addressed stamped envelope. Let's see. Thank you for the print. I'm going to put the dollar over here, and the kids will get it soon. But Sydney, tell them what he's got.
You get a sticker. Woo.
Looks like there's one left.
One more.
All right, who's it from?
Let's see. Someone named Joey.
It's from a Joey. Not like a baby kangaroo Joey, but with, you know, someone named Joey. Because a baby kangaroo is called
A Joey.
a Joey. Ooh, okay, here is an envelope, and it does say Joel on it. Inside the envelope is a letter. Good. What do we have here? We have Chewy Fruities, organic candy chews. Look at that, organic candy chews. We have a roll of Raptor Series PLA, only at Maker Geeks. Oh, Maker Geeks. Okay.
No idea what that is.
It's okay. So there's a spool of Maker Geeks and a Death Wish Coffee survival kit. Death Wish Coffee is good. Look. Oh, that's exciting.
I don't like coffee.
Well, it's good because you're too young, but there's a little filtration. There's the beans and 2 cups.
What's that?
What?
What's that?
I don't know. This is long burning strike on. Oh, it's a match.
No way.
Matches for something. Okay. We'll just put that right there. Bam. Let's see what the letter says. Oh, I smell that. I smell that coffee. That smells good.
No.
Joel, first let me say thank you for your fun videos. I have learned a lot, and I really respect the fact that you stay true to your beliefs of not selling out, as well as telling how a product works or not. I'm including a couple of items for you. Oh, and Riley. So they saw Riley on the last Fan Mail Friday, and so for Riley, I'm sure you can figure out the coffee is for me and the candy is for Riley, unless she shares. I bet she's gonna share. I bet Riley's gonna share.
I'll make her.
Yeah, Sid'll make Riley share. That's for sure. That's for sure.
That's for sure. I did not say that.
I'm also including some 3D filament. I recently ordered some and was sent 1.75 when I used 3. I was told to find a good home and figured yours was a good home for some freebies. Since I also enjoy watching your videos, this is my way of providing some support and, of course, coffee. Hope you can find a good use for the items. Keep up the good work. And, of course, high five from Joey. From Joey. I mean, this is awesome. The gifts are awesome. I don't see an address. Is it on the box? Let's find out. That's from Llewellyn. Which box is it? Is this it? Ah! All right, you know what?
Well, that's the biggest box.
I found a box. I found the box with Joey's address. So, thank you for the gifts, but you get a gift now. Sydney, tell him what he's got.
You get a sticker.
Well, looks like that's all the packages we have for today. A big thanks for everybody that sent something in. Of course, nothing like that is ever required, but if you do want to send something into the channel, the address to send mail to is in the description of every video. Thanks again to Sid for help.
Thank you.
Appreciate you coming on. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get Sid back again for another one, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and hug each other more, because I love you guys, as always.
High five.
High five.